Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the double wrap stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the front post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Then make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. For row 2, we're simply going to make 1 double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. Row 3 is going to be our double wrap stitch row. The double wrap stitch is essentially a front post double crochet wrapped twice. So we're going to go over all of those steps. You're going to skip the first stitch of your row, yarn over your hook 1 time, insert your hook like you would making a front post double crochet around the next double crochet. So it's going to be like this. Grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through around the post of that double crochet. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops only. You're going to have 2 loops left. Yarn over your hook 1 time. Go back around that double crochet that we made the first front post over. So around the same one, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through around that stitch. You're going to have 4 loops. Yarn over 1 time, take that through 2 loops only. And this is how everything is looking around that stitch. Now you're going to yarn over 1 time. You have 3 loops. Take that through all 3 loops to complete this stitch. Into the next stitch, we're going to make a slip stitch. Now we're going to make this double wrap stitch again around this next double crochet. Yarn over your hook 1 time. Insert your hook around the post of that next double crochet. Grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops only. Yarn over, insert your hook around that double crochet again, grab that yarn, pull it through around that stitch. You're going to have 4 loops. Yarn over, take that through 2 only. You're going to have 3 left. Yarn over, take that through all 3 to complete that stitch. And then into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. So you're going to start repeating double wrap stitches and then a slip stitch. We're going to go over the double wrap stitch again. Yarn over, insert your hook around the next double crochet, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You're going to have 3 loops. Yarn over, take that through 2 only. Yarn over, insert your hook around that double crochet again, grab that yarn, pull it through. You're going to have 4 loops. Yarn over, take that through 2 only. You're going to have 3 left. You're going to yarn over and take that through all 3 loops to complete that double wrap stitch. And then into the next stitch, you're going to make a slip stitch. I'm going to continue to make 1 double wrap stitch and then 1 slip stitch until I reach the last stitch of this row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have some chains over here. You're going to make 1 single crochet into the tops of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the double wrap stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.